Hi, welcome to Advith Devops world. So this demo is to explain about how to enable passwordless authentication between two Unix or Linux servers. So I have two servers here. You can see that one is in black screen. The backend it is a another server. Okay, you can see host names are also different. Host name it is server 1, whereas if you execute here, host name it is my chef workstation example, some other server. Okay, so I want the passwordless authentication from this server 1 to this server. So for that, so first step here is to do, we have to generate keys, SSH keys in the server 1. For generating the SSH key, just execute the command ssh -keygen. Okay, just execute this command, enter, and it will ask for the option what is the what is the file name of SSH key to see. Just no need to enter anything, just give enter. Okay, so this would have generated under the home directory .ssh. okay, .ssh directory. It's a hidden directory. You can go inside of that, .ssh. you can see set of files here. This is id underscore rc. This is public key, this is private key. Okay, this we should never ever share to any, this should not be shared. And yeah, public key has to be shared with the second server. Okay, this is the public key. So this key just copy and come to the second server here, and you can create, if you have any directory .ssh under the home, there is no .ssh directory. So if it is not there, just create it, mkdir.ssh, and go inside of that .ssh directory, and there are no files here. Just create authorized keys, AUTHORIZED underscore keys file. Okay, these are the keys. Inside of that, the public key what we have generated here, right? Just copy this and paste it. Just copy this and paste it in the server 2. Okay, I have pasted now. So now once you have pasted here, now you try to run the command ssh space username of server 2 at server 2 IP address or host name. What is the IP address? This is the IP address. Okay, so now give this one. So you can give some command, host name, just give s here, right? You're able to get the output here. Okay, if you run again one more time, you don't need to, it will not ask password hereafter. Okay, from server 1 to the server 2, it will never ask the password. It will automatically authenticate the keys using the keys here. Okay, not only the command, you can also run some scripts also. For example, you create some script in somewhere. Let me create a small script here. I think, yeah, I already have a script here. Okay, what is the right? Okay, so this is a simple script is exists here under the temp path. Okay, let me also run that script from the server 1. ssh root, yeah, same command, just instead of the command I am going to give sh space /temp. Where is the what is the script name? sample.sh. see this is a chef workstation server, right? This is the same output. I'm able to get it here. Okay, so I'm able to run the script, I'm able to run the command, I'm able to execute anything from this server, remote server. Okay, without entering any password. For example, if you wouldn't have done that, okay, if you don't enable it, for example, if I delete it under the, if I delete this rm-rf.ssh directory, now if you try to do the same thing, it will not work because it is not authenticating. Okay, so it will prompt for the password. If you enter the password, yes, it will work. Okay, every time it will look for the password. Okay, so to to skip this step, to for instead of asking this password every time to do that, okay, these keys can be established between the servers, so that this is how we can enable the passwordless authentication between the servers. Okay, if I redo the same step again, id underscore rsa dot pub, just copy this again and go inside of this directory, mkdirectory.ssh, VITHORIZED underscore keys, just paste it here. Now if you try to run the same command, it will not ask the password. Okay, this is how we can enable the passwordless authentication between the any Unix or Linux servers. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching Advith DevOps World. Thank you.